Attention seniors, the yearbook would like your pictures and bios turned in by the due date of December 5th. Bio paper will be available soon. Your pictures can be sent to yearbook@geneseeschools.org.
Registration is open to juniors and seniors for their Washington, D.C. trip. You must be registered by October 31st. Only 40 seats are available.
Winter sports sign-ups are now available across the hall from the high school office. The Hope Squad will have a table set up at lunch with swag and applications for this school year. Let's take a stand against bullying. Grab a Protect the Pack shirt and wear it this Friday.
Congrats to all 3 of our Quiz Bowl teams who each won last night.
Don't forget tomorrow's hat day. Bring $1, get a stamp, and wear your hat. 12th grade Mott college fair permission slips are due by Thursday, October 23rd. Attention AP students. Please make your payment for the AP exam by November 7th in the main office. The Genesee School District is selling these amazing and super soft school pride blankets. The 60 by 70 inch blankets are $40 and the 50 by 60 inch blankets are $30. Forms are available on Facebook or in the high school office. Order yours today.
It's pause behavior in PBS time.
That's right. If you have 0 or 1 minor referrals and 0 major referrals from now until November 6th,
You will earn free time on November 7th.
whether it's basketball, movie time, or maybe TikTok time,
It's your reward for showing pause behavior.
stay tuned.
There will be a Dine and Donate night at Texas Roadhouse on October 27th from 3 until 10 p.m.
Just mention that you're there in support of Genesee High School, and the junior and senior class will receive 10% of the food donations.
That's Monday, October 27th from 3 to 10 p.m. at Texas Roadhouse. Tell them you're there to support Genesee High School.
It's Michigan versus Michigan State Week. Wear your favorite colors this Friday.
It's Caprice Minor with your GTV 5-day forecast. Today will be mostly cloudy with a very slight chance of rain this afternoon. Partly sunny skies are expected Friday through Monday with highs staying steady in the 50s.
What did Yoda say when he saw himself in 4K?
What did he say?
HDMI?
Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A-S. Banana. Ban blank Anna. Ban space Anna. I don't know. I'm just singing that Gwen Stefani song in my head now. Ban Anna's. Ban Space Anna. Space Bananas? Ban Space Anna?
Good job, Mrs. Rutledge. Let me get in here with you
Yeah.
and see what you're doing.
Please.
Banana.
Listen, that's a hard one.
Banana?
Yeah, I just want to sing. Do you want to sing the Gwen
Banana
Stefani
Nana?
song?
B-A-N-A-N-A-S.
Bananas.
What is it supposed to be? Banana.
You might as well tell us we're not going to get it. We can just move on to the next one.
Banana.
Ban space Anna. Well, your name's Anna. I don't see it says ban Anna, but
Hey, don't ban me. I don't want to be banned.
no. There's a space there and a cap. Ban. Ban. Ban empty. Ban O Ant now.
Still think it's banana.
Well, the word is B-A-N-A-N-A.
Yeah, but banana.
Banana. There's a space. There's a big space. Is it something's gonna do with the space and the gap? Ban Gap Anna. Ban Space Anna. Ban No Anna. Ban. What?
You kidnapped our Anna.
Yeah. No. I don't know. Final guess is Batman.
N is missing, so ban.
Banana?
N. What do you think, Jackson? Wow, split.
Banana split?
Banana split. Okay, good job.
Banana split. That was easy.
Around our time. No? Before our time? Oh, jeez.
You're close though. You gotta like change them.
The time before ours. Before our time, you said change up the words. The time before, no. What do you think?
I don't know. My guess is as good as yours.
Time is on our side. We are co-hosts.
Our time, so our time is limited, our time is small. There's such little time. Hold, time's by the O, and it's sideways.
Wait, what are we doing with this one?
You're so weird.
Oh, okay. We're not unscrambling it?
No.
Okay.
Look at like the placement of like where.
Side time. Time's on its side. It's on the O. Time's on our side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Time on our side.
Ooh! Senora!
Ready? I got this. Time is on our side.
Time is on our side.
You were being so
Time is on my side.